3, 2, 1.
You doubted me. You thought I'd given up on the clear coffee drinks. You thought that because now I was doing other things, there would be no more clear coffee drinks. But look what I've got. Now this is from Rolling River, I believe in Oregon, and this is not available anywhere. I think it's like a locally available thing that is hard to get. So thank you to Eric for dragging this across the ocean and giving me this bottle. This is very much appreciated. So it is a coffee flavored grain spirit, I guess. And clearly, because it's clear, they've put the coffee in before a final distillation process. I'm intrigued by this. The coffee is roasted by Kova. That makes me feel positive. I've heard good things about it so far. Maybe we're going to have a good day. Maybe we're going to have a good day. Maybe I've jinxed myself. Let's get it open. I'm nervous because I think this is going to be good, but if it's not, I feel bad. This is supposed to be good whether it's cold or not. Now, I instinctively would make these things cold, but I was told, no need, it's good times. So straight into the glass we go. Let's have a little smell. Let's have a little smell. Not bad. Quite boozy, like quite, spirit-like as a smell. Not a ton of coffee in there so far. That is pretty good. That is quite a delicate usage of coffee. It's quite clever. I'll give it points for that. It's not sledgehammer coffee flavor that causes pain to the face. This is soft, warm, sweet coffee flavor. It's quite a nice selection, I guess, of coffee's flavors in there. It's quite hard to taste something that's 40% alcohol. It's interesting because it kind of comes and goes. It moves in and out. There's this moment where you're just hit by alcohol and that's that. And this sort of soft, sweet coffee appears, then it runs away again. And then it pops up a little bit later on and it sort of hangs out for a minute and then it's gone. I would say that this is interesting because I think it'd be quite an easy coffee spirit to mix with because the coffee's not that strong. You'd get these sort of warm undertones of coffee flavor, but you wouldn't have those big, like ugly coffee flavors that so many people seem to think that people like. No one likes those. No one likes those. This is good. My criticism would be, and there's got to be criticism. There must always be criticism. That it's a little nice. It's a little nice. It's a little soft and sweet and friendly. It could be a bit more interesting. That's harsh. But it's friendly. It's friendly. This is easily the best clear coffee drink I've ever drunk. That was a low bar, but it is what it is, it's not bad. I'd be intrigued to mix with this. So there you go. Rolling River. Well done. I don't know if I'm disappointed or happy that I had quite a nice time. I'll give this a little go. Now I'll take this home. I'll maybe mix a few cocktails with it, see what comes of it, see if I change my mind in any meaningful way. But I would say if you like coffee booze, then if you see this, it's maybe worth picking up a bottle. It's all right. It's all right. Well done, Rolling River. If you've got another coffee spirit that's interesting, unusual, that you want me to taste, let me know. Send me a link. There are things out there in the world that you've all been telling me about. I'm trying to get the PBR hard coffee. I'm working on it. Give me some time. It's not the easiest thing to get hold of right now, but I will track it down. But let me know what you want me to taste. I'll see if I can hunt it out. As always, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.